Alright, I know you're watching this video in 2026, and that is because being cool and being a corporate slave together is not easy, and that's the reason this video is late. That's the only reason, so bear with me, but here's the video.
You see what I have to deal with on a daily basis, almost daily basis?
Today is 25th of December, which is Christmas, and I thought I wouldn't be going out anywhere today. It's an off today for me. But Bishki just called me, she's nearby, and we are going to hang out. Yay! So, let's see how I spend my Christmas this year. That's the vlog. That is all it's gonna be about. So, let's go. Also, I'm not sure if my hair looks fine or not. Like, does it look fine? Maybe it does look fine, right? I hope it looks fine. So I was telling Bishki how I have fantasies and kink which aren't even sexual. Because I just randomly said मेरे को मेट्रो स्टेशन पे आके सोना है.
Bikari fantasy.
No, but like
Homelessness fantasy.
But like क्या होता था पता है? Like when I used to go to tuition like 8th-9th standard में, ठीक है?
It do be like that.
Can you like shut the fuck up? I'll just sit over here. हो गया? Okay.
He has such homeless fantasies. I'll just sit.
It's
over
not
here, I'll just
homeless
sleep over
fantasy.
here.
It's like peace wanting fantasy because like back in school when I used to go for tuitions, okay, वो ट्यूशन में जाके मेरी फटने वाली है, ठीक है, उसके पहले मेरे को आराम की जरूरत होती थी, तो लाइक ऐसा
Are you
झाड़.
standing to talk to me? Like, you know, this feels like humiliation in itself. Like he's not even properly like, you know, bending वगैरह. He's squatting. For what? Like for no reason.
That will be censored. Oh, my outfit looks good.
You see what I have to deal with on a daily basis, almost daily basis. This is my friend, y'all. These are the kind of friends I make.
Look, I am the coolest person in your life, okay? Like I'm the coolest person. After Becky and me, maybe. Yeah.
True. भी ऊपर हो जाएगा.
But I was saying like ट्यूशन जाते वक्त वो ट्यूशन में मेरी like होने वाली है, मतलब बहुत अच्छी वाली धजिया, ठीक है, तो उसके पहले ना मुझे लगे ऐसे 3-4 झाड़ दिखते थे रास्ते में. वो झाड़ के नीचे ना बहुत ठंडी हवा कर देती है. मेरे को मन करता था वहाँ पे लाइक 1-2 घंटे सो लूँगा एंड देन ट्यूशन जाऊँ.
It is a miracle how he's not kidnapped or possessed yet.
I could be possessed.
Which ghost would wanna get inside you, bro?
Oh. गलत भाई, गलत. See, you see what I have to deal? Like, she will put... Anyway, where are we going? We are going to BKC.
As usual, this is the third time we're going
yeah,
to the same place.
Yeah, exactly. Like, कितने घिसे पिटे लोग हैं हम, बस वहीं पे जाके गिरे हुए रहते हैं. When are we shooting your video? Like, guys, go and subscribe to our channel.
I have 2 vlogs. I'm gonna edit it and put it out. I'm making it really nice. Okay, guys.
Yeah, she's working hard. Okay.
I had this idea we should call our vlog Strawberry Matcha vlogs.
Oh yeah, strawberry matcha. Yeah. Wait, if Shubh is actually there in that, we can make strawberry matcha and charcoal. So if you all don't know, we represent our colors, okay? Why does it sound like we are I'm talking about pride flag? Okay,
it's accurate, though.
so I am yellow or green, okay, either one. She is pink clearly, and Shubh is black. I mean,
Shubh is African American.
Shubh is Afro, yeah. Anyway, outfits. Manifest paisa for everyone so that
I can get a gym membership and a camera.
You know what? The other day, I sat and I made a vision board for myself.
Same. Same. Literally same.
I made a vision board for myself, and like, there's one friend of mine, like one of my favorite artists, who is my friend also now.
Aww,
Yeah.
thanks, yaar.
What?
Huh? What?
No. She told me, like, you know, it really works in manifesting.
I don't remember telling you that.
Yeah, you didn't know. And you were saying thanks for that?
Yeah.
Oh lol.
He's such a bitch. I am not his friend or his artist.
Okay. Yeah, where were we? Oh, Tesla. Is that Tesla?
Yeah,
It is Tesla,
It's
right?
a Tesla showroom.
It is Tesla.
Yeah, your vision board.
Oh yeah, my vision board. My vision board, yeah. So she told me I should make vision board, and she's like showing me evidences of how things got real in her life. I was like, bro, I need to do that. I got so influenced. See, she's an influencer. I can call her an influencer because she actually influenced me.
Girl, even
Okay.
bro, I was gonna post. I was gonna post.
I kept it as my wallpaper.
Girl, literally, I had this for a while.
Wait, you're allowed to show your vision board to each other, ऐसा?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, तू नजर नहीं लगाने वाला मुझे. I know that.
Yeah.
And मैं तुझे नजर नहीं लगाने वाला.
नहीं, but like ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि like wish नहीं दिखाते, wish नहीं बताते वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह.
What did you register in those 2 seconds I showed it to you?
Huh?
What did you register for my vision board?
Pink and a lot of women.
I mean, yeah.
Pink and I know which women, of course, and I'm manifesting that also. Like she gets
Yes.
those women. ऐसा बोल रहे जैसे कि ये ट्रैफिकिंग करने वाली है.
नहीं यार, I want to be friends with this.
You know this genre of whenever we are sitting together and making a video, we are always sitting like that's the thing. We are always sitting and talking. So whenever I'm with Bishki, it's going to be a yap video. Like don't expect
Always.
anything more.
Always.
We're just gonna sit in some random cafe and yap.
And yeah, because we're yappers like that.
Yappers of back pain.
Yappers of back pain. Yappers of strawberry matcha.
Strawberry Matcha. Strawberry Matcha is a new single. Go listen to it. I don't know where.
Strawberry matcha is a new unit. Back pain includes Shiv.
Yeah, right.
And
Actually, you know
Pushkar.
what? Pushkar also, yeah.
Yeah.
Back pain is
He is
bad.
OG back pain.
He is OG back pain, you know. Like, arthritis exists because Pushki exists. What were we talking about?
Back to vision boards.
Back to vision boards. So guys, go make vision boards. Okay.
And see if they come true next year.
Yeah.
Because I have recorded like all my goals. And
Yeah.
I will see them in December 2026.
I just felt like having bubble tea, so that's the reason I'm entering back in the mall. So, man, actually looks really bad today. I don't know why.
One eternity later.
There is some Christmas celebration kind of thing going on in the open area of this mall. So I don't know, I'm just curious to take a look at it. So that's where we are going. It looks too crowded. I'm not going that side. There is another entry, so let's see if we can enter from there. Oh, it's closed. Alright, found a place to sit. I like sitting in front of the Apple store. So Bishki had to go home because she had to go somewhere else also with her parents. So that's why. I just wanted to spend more time outside. So that's why I'm just roaming in this mall.
Huh?
Also tell me if I should make a video of trying out all the matcha places, not all the matcha places, but like the top matcha places, and which one is the best. This is not the best. Okay, like before I used to get like really good matcha, but today this doesn't taste very nice. Yeah, I guess also because like matcha was trending for a while. Everyone was trying, everyone was talking shit about it. So I guess a lot of these places like tried to adapt to the taste of people. So they started making it less bitter, trying to suit the taste buds of masses. So that's the reason. But I like my matcha a bit bitter. Also, it's 2025. Okay, I'm kind of proud of myself that I'm become more confident. I don't give a like what people think, because like I'm literally sitting here in public talking to camera. Okay, like the last year version of me would have been like really conscious about this, but I'm not. I guess I've grown a lot like in this year, like 2025. I started doing things that I would have not done. I would have like mostly been shy about it. But yeah, I guess I have grown a lot in this year. So yeah, 2025 is the year that I remember. Also, like I got to see Taemin in real life. That's a huge thing for me. Easy. Yeah, I was talking about this year. This year has been pretty good. But like for my personal growth, this year has been amazing. I met a lot of amazing people, and actually, you know what? Shout out to y'all. Like you're not amazing. Like every person that I met this year was amazing. Like S level, S A level, or whatever, S rank, A rank. But yeah, y'all been amazing. Like I got to learn a lot from the people that I met this year. Yeah, 2025 was not a total waste in my life. True. And I got to see Taemin. Anyway, I don't know what should I do next. Should I just sit over here and yap in front of you? Should I just leave from here? Like, there's nothing entertaining about watching people in Apple Store. Clearly not, because like that's where I'm sitting. That is what I can see from here. Like, not the best thing to see, but anyway, I look at these shoes. Wait, how do I even show? Look, they look clean. I'll tell you what, I didn't wash them in a year. Okay, they were like totally stained. They were like brown. They were not even white as much as they look right now. Like not even as much. Like they were like totally brown. The other day, like 2 days or 3 days before, I like sat and like I just went on scrubbing it. Okay, like I used toothpaste, I used acetone, I used yeah only these two, I guess. Yeah, I used these two things and I just cleaned the fuck out of it, like made it white. I guess I should get going. I should go. Using my phone for time being, because why not? Alright, I'm heading out of this mall. Also, I was talking about content creation, right? There are a lot of things that I want to do in future, like sketches, parodies, Yeah. There's absolutely no one on this metro station. Like, damn, I might be the only living creature on this metro station. Why is there no, like, I haven't seen a single person like walk. Did I enter from the wrong side or something like that? Like, I have no idea. Like, there's absolutely no one. It's just empty. This doesn't feel like Mumbai at all. Like, Mumbai is supposed to be like really crowded as fuck. Okay, there are people. I can hear footsteps. Yeah, there are people.